Hello everyone, welcome to Inventive Kids, and today we will make our own band, or you can say a concert. You will only need 2 3 blocks and then you are ready to go with your own band. So it is very easy. First of all we will first of all choose our sprites and backdrop. Okay, so let's start. First we will choose a backdrop first at stage. So let's go to choose a backdrop. You will see here music as the our project is related to music. I will choose music. You can choose anything else of your wish, but I will go to music. I can see concert, spotlight, theater, and theater 2. Hmm, which one shall I choose? Okay, so you can tell me in the comments. But for now, let me choose this one. I think this one. I'm a bit confused. Okay, so let me choose this one. So this is my spotlight kind of a thing. Now I have to choose my sprites. You can go come to music again. First of all, we need a singer. No need of microphone. He's wearing a white. Okay, she's. So let me place it here. And again, I will add one to music. There's nothing like dance here. So okay, so which one is to choose? Drums or tabla can be here. A bit small, so let's make it just small. Oh, it's a bit colorful, right? You can also make your own colors and all, but I'm not making as such for now. Okay, so this is a white, right? Here you can adjust colors and all, but I don't want any colors. So let me take a fine color. Just have to fill it here. Done. Now I will come to select or reshape, you can say, and like select this. I think this is much. Here I go. I'll just make it a bit small, just like it would be visible. Okay, let me fill the color. I think it's the color is not bit good enough, so it's white. Maybe so you can also remove as per your wish. So let me put it here somewhere, but there is no one who will play this. Still I'm adding it. Then I will take drum shemba. First I will take a drum. Then I will take the rest. Okay, so it would be here. This should be here. Oh, sorry. If you want to make it completely based on drums or you want everything, so you can. Okay, now what shall I take now? A piano or a keyboard, of course. So it will be here. Okay, let me come to this one. Just done. Okay, so first let's for the singer, let's start with the keyboard. Come to events or control, sorry, events, and grab this block when. Let me just now this like you can take this when space key pressed, but for we are using for the keyboard. And that comes to sound, so we have around 8 sounds. Okay, so what we have to do, we can take when uh what we can take, okay, one key pressed, and we will come to sounds, then play sound E2, but it's We will start 1 minute, and we will then go to sounds and say play sound C. So because the first one is C, according to that, then we'll come again. We will just control C and control V. We will just copy it down, and instead of 1 it would be 2, and this would be, I think, it's coming into sounds, this will be D. Okay, so it's decreasing. Okay, so this will be D. Then we will come again, like, see, it's like this. So if you say, if I'm clicking 1, I am no 3, so just again this one copy, and again 1, again 1, like this. You can copy paste. Okay, here I have, so this would be 2, not, it would be 3, this would be 4, I think so. Yes, it would be 4, and this was D, so it would be E, and this was D, sorry, is, so it would be now F. Again I will just copy, again 1, just let's minimize a bit. I think you're clear how to do. So okay, so here I have, is repeating, so this would be G, again 1, control C, control V, control C, control V. Okay, if you are using Mac, then command C, command V, command C, command V. Okay, because different operating systems, different have, it means different OS, we have different key combinations. This would be 5, and so this would be 6. Now it was G, it would be A, I don't know what is F. Okay, F is here, and this would be B. So 1, 2. Okay, this is repeated. Be precise, like whatever you're writing, then because of that it may have an issue. Okay, again. One more, I think so. So when 8 key pressed, right? When 8 key pressed, then come here again, play sound C2. Now I will play on my keyboard. So yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a code for keyboard. We are done with keyboard. Now let's come to drums. Now in drums, let's go to sound. So let's see the sound first. Let me make it a bit louder. Okay, so it's very easy there. Like when, which key want, so it's starting from D. So let me take any other one. Okay, like you can't take any, because in any, if you assigned keyboard as 1 and if you pressed 1, so it would be like something mixed voice and wouldn't look, so it would be a mixed sound. So let's take A then. When A key pressed, play sound high cymbal until done. So when I click A, like that, then what I have to do, come to drum, we have to do the same step, and space key pressed, but we will be this B, this would be play sound again. It's very easy. Okay, don't worry, it's very easy. Then come to drum kit. So let's see what's have drum kit. It's looking like a bump. This is high tom and this is low tom. So we have 5 sounds, so for each we can take one. So we were done with the B one. So let's take C, C, and then again D, then E, then F, like that. So this is it's starting from the drum bass one. When D key pressed, drum bass two, like that. We will continue. This would be then, I think, D E. So it will be E, then F, then it will continue. Now drum bass 3 3 3, yes, then high tom, then low tom, and again etc. Okay, so we have here, let me just zoom it out for you all to see. Right now what we will do, take control C, control V. Okay, again. Okay, so this was E, then it would be F. As you know, ABCD is very easy. High tom and then low tom. Control C, control V. Okay, I'm pressing C. It's not copying because, okay, so yeah, you should be like a bit that kind of a thing. Okay, a bit. So when when G pressed, it's low tom. So here you have the chords and all. Just you can see this is how the chords are. Then you have tabla. If you don't know what is tabla, a tabla is an Indian instrument. Okay, it's an Indian instrument, tabla. Okay, it's an Indian drum instrument. Like you have drums, India has a tabla. Okay, India also has many classical these kind of things, instruments, and tabla is one of them. So Scratch had added the tabla. Now in the drum kit one, we ended with G, so we will start here from H. Okay, so when H key pressed, then play sound. I think there are one, two, three. Okay, there are four. So we need four pairs of. Okay, I'm pressing Control C, so it's happening. Let's take a duplicate. Then again, let's take duplicate. Okay, so this is. So when H, then HK, HI, which would be high tun tabla, maybe. Then HIJK, it would be K. Like this only, these things may take a bit time, but just be patient enough. So low gliss tabla, low geh tabla. Okay, these are some Indian words: low gliss, high gliss, and all. So if I say, so this is how it would be like this. I know I'm bad at instruments. Now the singer has no sounds. We have to give him a sound. Okay, so you can download some of your favorite musics and add them here all. And whenever you feel okay, I want to hear some kind of a song, you can go. Okay, so okay, let me show you one, then we will continue. Okay, so you will come to sounds, and here you will choose upload. If you downloaded in your computer, you can come to upload, then come to your this one. I chose two songs, open. You can add again one more, add one more. So here I have. Okay, so this is how you can rename your. Okay, I will write cartoon singer and all. And then here, whatever your name is of a song, you can write. I'm writing a bird song, kind of a thing. Whatever you want, you can write that. Okay. Now come here. Now, like when I will write, like when up up arrows there pressed, just place sound a cartoon singer. Then when small or down arrow key pressed, simply you start with a bird song. Now let me show you. So when if I click on the up one,
Audio Jungle.
if I want to add something. Okay, so like if she's singing, like that. So maybe you loved, and this was how a band he can make. You can add more and more, whatever how much you want. But I had only two, so I will go with two only. Okay, I can just resize her, change her hair, change her clothes also. I don't like her like this. You can also change how the way she looks. She may be a bit. Okay, so here you can also customize her appearance, how she wants to be. Okay, so I just changed it. This is how she may look. A bit she is big. Oh, okay. So like this, you can customize your single, your band, and all and all. Let me play a demo for you all. So this is a full screen. Now let's play a band. So let's start with piano. Like that.
Audio Jungle.
So this is how my band worked. Now you can save your project from here. Just I will write my band, and just click here file and just save to your computer. Okay. So just I will come to here this PC. Okay, something, and just I will save my one. It is now saved, and I can whenever I need to play my favorite songs, I can come and just play it all. So I hope you liked our video. So please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And that was all for now. Thank you.